Welcome to Amavenzo to TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Mackenzie 0. I'm joined by Umabuda.
Sibo awuthami kunjani awuthami?
Angimnandi.
Angisawazi awuthami.
Usifihle ku?
Ntwana uba busy uyazi ukuthi kuyathayida la.
Ya indaba zeSpani.
Indaba zeSpani uyayibona. But anyway ama-fans wethu yiwa Sky Exposure ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi nathi sikhulume into sivoice ama-feelings wethu yabona. Through football yayibona.
Yeah. Game ibona kanjani?
Sandawana idlalile vandag. Idlalile vandag shayile 3 goals party 3 goals bengekho enough kule game le. Bekumele shaye 5.
Yeah, more.
5
more.
And 2 goals yazi bengifuna kubani?
Kuba
number 17 wethu ngisaba ukumsho ngegama.
Uba
ubaba ka intwana ka Cardoso.
Yeah.
Favorite ka Cardoso siyayazi sonke manje.
Yeah,
Matthews favorite. Yeah, okay. Sino Shalulile benchini ushaye hat-trick. Uhlele benchini akamfaka angazi udwayo.
Inkinga.
Une favorite yakhe anyway sothini thina si support Sundowns asikwazi ukuthi sibe ne voice ezwakalayo yabona. Yena i-decision iphuma kuye kodwa lento asithandi.
Ukuthi uShalulile uyahlala.
All time goal scorer baba. PSL all time goal scorer.
Mara uyahlala.
Namhlanje bemam-honora namhlanje nge-certificate ubonile?
Ngibonile.
Bemam-honora nge-certificate. Uyana umthatha umfaka ikuphi ebhenchini adla ama-ice which is wrong lento leyo. Umqeda umoya. Ngiyayibona. Lo muntu kumele amfake aqale ngayo igame. Matthews kumele adlale ebhenchini aride igame. Maybe I read maybe for 70 minutes or 75 minutes. Amlahlele maybe nge-75. But ngoba uyamthanda uhlala mfaka njalo and lento leyo yazini lo muntu Mr. Maclear chances.
Akasiphi nix.
Mr. Maclear chances.
Akasiphi nix.
Kunoshasha ebhenchini. All time goal scorer PSL. Lo muntu ujambe noNomvethi ngamagoli.
Ndoda.
Ukuyosha i-hat-trick eNamibia. Ku qualify ke World Cup World Cup uyayibona. Ofithe into leyo yasikhawata. Sifuna ukubona lo muntu ashaya maybe 150 goals ku-Sundowns. Manje uzoshaya kanjani 150 angamfaki?
Angeke ishaya.
Udla ama-ice mara akafuni ukumfaka leloya egamini. And lento leyo of which is wrong. Uyayibona? I-wrong lento leyo. So but anyway Sundowns idlalile vandag 3 goals 3 points. It's fine. We are on top of the log manje. Sithi anyone can catch us. Asinandaba ukuthi ubani osemuva. Thina siklema indawo yethu. We are defending this title, remember? We are defending this title. We are the best team in the country. Uyakwazi lokho. Uyayibona. So kunjalo ntwana.
Man of the match Mabuda.
I man of the match ngamgaya ubathuze Obas. Yabona lapha esikupini?
Yes.
Abathuze indoda bekaklina yonke into. Ubathuze Obas i-experience yakhe yaku AFCON. Yaku World Cup qualifier. Against Nigeria. Usebenzisile namhlanje siyibonile. And Cardoso please don't bench Shalulile. Cardoso please Cardoso. Shalulile is the all-time goal scorer man. Thatha lo muntu umka game time. Ungamfaka vandag. Or else ungamfaka ebhenchini ke. Singamboni ngoba thina masimbona si-expect ukuthi adlale yabona. Uma ngamfaki we are frustrated. Shalulile must come each and every game. Adlale each and every game because it's our sniper. Yellow forever. Yellow. Thank you.